Hello therapists, back pain sufferers, RockPod enthusiasts and YouTube addicts. In this video I'm going to show you a simple way of using RockPods to perform a cupping treatment to relieve lower back pain. All you need is back pain or a person reporting such an ailment. You'll also need some cups that won't break if they fall off. So in this video I'm using the RockPods, in particular the new extra large RockPods. Begin with the patient in a relaxed position with the lumbar curvature reduced by placing a cushion underneath the pelvis. Place 2 pods over the lumbar spine, each side of the spine over the lumbar erectors. Put a bit of wax around the pod to help create a seal to get a good vacuum. Once in place, maintain the position of the pods on the skin, but move the skin, soft tissue and fascia up and down in alternate directions like so. After 30 seconds of treatment in this position, move into a more flexed position in order to create an enhanced shearing force created by the pods in combination with the stretch. Repeat this stretch 4 to 5 times and then remove the pods.